Good evening. Got to show you the hands. Good evening. As you can see, I do not have a canvas tonight. I have a vase. I tried this yesterday. It turned out pretty well. You'll see this before you get to see that one because it's a secret. Anyway, so I cleaned this with alcohol first to get rid of any grease or dirt or anything like that. And then I sprayed something on there for the paint to stick better. So this is what I used. This is not, it says plastic. This is glass. But it worked well on the vases that I tried yesterday. So we are going to try it again. So yeah, just thought this would be something fun. I tried the ones I tried yesterday were really skinny. This is a nice big one. So I had better luck yesterday when I poured white over it first, or any color, just so the paint flowed better. So yeah, so I've got white, then I'm gonna pour over it. I also have soft gold from Deco Art. I have some Sargent, I think it is Sargent paint black from the Big W store. And then I have some Liquitex Basics dioxazine purple. I thought that would look cool, even if the white doesn't cover everything, or if the colors don't cover anything. If there's white on there, I thought it would look cool. So let's give this a try here. Pour a little slower and see if we can get it to cover that little flared out part there. Ooh. Let's see if I can get this back side here. Lock the camera a little bit, sorry. I know this is your favorite part, watching people pour on things. Come on. It's one little spot. All right. There we go. So we got paint on the whole thing. So let's see. We'll try just doing, I was going to say a little bit, but that's a lot of it. Which I realize is not really a word, but it is fun watching how it kind of flows over, though. I probably don't need to put this much paint on here. And I know I don't need to put this much paint on here. But it's fun to watch, if nothing else. So, we're going to try the same thing I did yesterday. So, I think we'll end with some of that. I like how it looks on that side. We're going to do just a tiny bit more. No, I'm probably going to be very sad that I did this. That's okay. There we go. All right. Well, let's take this off the stand here. See what some of the different sides look like. I like that part up there. Now I have more gold than I wanted. Oh, the things that happen when you're put just a little bit and a little bit of this. And we'll do this again. I'm not sure why I'm whispering. Also doing that so that the top doesn't have a crap load of paint on top of it, or the bottom doesn't have a crap load of paint on it, so that it'll dry better. But yeah, that's better. So yeah, we'll see how it looks in a little bit. We'll check back. All right, so we've got some very interesting things going on. You can see a lot of the gold coming through. Everything is thinned out quite a bit. So yeah, I think this will look pretty cool. I say that a lot. It looks really nice. It will make a excellent gift for somebody someday, hopefully. We'll see. Anyway, hopefully this inspires you to give it a try yourself. Thanks for watching.